Hey guys, I'm at the doctor with Ellie. She's not doing so well. Man, they put a nebulizer on her a while ago. You can't tell me well, look at you, look at ball out the place too. Jesus. She bad. I'm gonna watch my week, guys. I'm just run from work and come. But waiting to see about the doctor. Yes, look for me. Wait a minute, son, I got for. Why? But yeah, Friday I'm gonna start the vlog. Alright guys, I'm going home now. Ellie has seen the doctor and we're going home. Squeeze my rapper chumps all day, every day, okay? I don't care if they're doing well in chumps or not, it's always squeeze on my rapper, okay? Guys, up on my lunch. I'm back home. Ellie is, yeah, I'm telling her she's alright, but she's about to eat my lunch right now. Gotta dive in. What's your favorite seafood to eat? Hey besties, it's me Shein. I'm back with not another vlog. I am continuing this vlog. Alright, so right now I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm gonna relax it. I want to do a little self-care vlog for you guys today. I did get some things from Amazon and Shein, so I'm gonna be doing that unboxing. So I'm gonna relax my hair. I think I'm gonna do a full video on how I relax my hair. So I'm not gonna be too much of the relaxing in this vlog, alright? So this is the protective cream that I use. It's a pack that comes with, I think it's 6 sets of, you know, these that you use to relax your hair. And all of that. I'm gonna treat it as well with my cholesterol hair conditioning cream. So let's get started. So I am gonna clean this little baby. It's grown up so much. I've been wearing wigs a lot. About the shear to cut it down. I don't know if I'm even gonna be able to use it. This is glue from the wigs. I don't know if I'll be able to use a shirt, to be honest with you, because guess what? I am scared of it. I'm scared of the sound, everything. But the back is long and I want to try it. Alright, so remember, check out the vlog, that video for that. I am so hot in here, but guess what, guys? I am gonna be getting the AC in here today. The guy's gonna come to install it today. I'm so happy about that. Okay. I haven't shaved my eyebrows in months, probably almost a year. I don't think I shaved it since I've had Ellie, so my hair scratch me. But I'm gonna switch over to the hair vlog and then I'm gonna come back over to you guys for the unboxing. Okay. Alright guys, so I put the cream in my hair. I'm gonna let it stay for about 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out with my eyes closed, of course. Guys, just watch the video for this hair transformation on my channel, because I am gonna be telling you guys everything how I did my hair, whatever. This is how my hair turned out. Really bougie. I'm gonna put some oil in it. It's proper tired. So what I'm gonna do is I just had a shower. I am gonna be doing my skincare, my face routine for you guys, and then I'll go and do the unboxing. It may if this video is too short, then I may do a get ready with me video for you for tomorrow and add it to this vlog. Alright, so right now what I'm gonna be doing is I am toning my face. I already cleansed, and this is the toner that I use. This toner is for visibly reduces the appearance of pores and refines the skin. So yeah, it targets the pores on my face. As you can see, I do have some pores. For some reason I thought that said fine lines as well, but no. It's important to use as you age skincare products that targets the aged or aging skin. So I really did think that that was targeting fine lines, but it's not. So after I tone my face, guys, I am gonna go in with my serum, and I've been using the Ordinary serum. Guess what? This serum, it did give me a breakout right here. I don't know if you can still see that little spot, but it did give me a breakout right there sometime, like the very first time that I used it. I'm gonna say, you know, I'm gonna try this again, and I tried it again and it worked wonderfully for me. So I am gonna go in with my toner, and guys, we use the products that's lighter or lightest or not, don't have as much weight to it first. So this is thinner than my moisturizer, so I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer after. I do think that there are some lashes in my packages, but I'm not gonna unbox. I'm not gonna be doing my lashes right now. I'm so tired. Really, like after that Sunday reset, after that all that Sunday chores that I got to do, I don't think I wanna. I don't even have the energy to do my lashes. So from when the something stop record, like for real and truly, or when it stop record, cause I've been here talking away and the thing stop. Like, I don't know, but wherever it stopped, I'm sorry guys, but I've been talking, okay? Alright, so I got this real calendar. They sent an email and asked persons to respond to the email. This competition, you could win the calendar. I think I'm too close. Right, you could win a calendar if you enter the competition, and I did. And I did in fact get the calendar. I did not think that I was gonna get it. This is the calendar. I'm just opening it. The soundtrack of your holidays, your class. Spain, January. I thought it was something more than this, but whatever. February is Mexico, and we are now in March. Let's see what March is. London. I just have a British visa. British people talk. I don't have it. I'm sorry, I don't know. Zanzibar. They are Maldives. June and July, USA. Oh my God, you are reading my mind. Jamaica, August, but I'm in JA all the time, Rio. Cape Verde, September. I hope I'm saying that right. Senegal in October. This is my birthday. It's gonna be on a Saturday. The last time it was on Friday the 13th. So this year, no, but it's a leap year. So the last time was the Thursday, something like that, whatever. Morocco, November, and December, UAE. Okay. So that is it for my Rio calendar, and it's already tearing apart. Good job, Rio. So these are some toothpaste that I got for baby Ellie. They are fluoride free. I had to order them online because her pediatrician did say to me that I was supposed to start brushing her teeth, but only use non-fluoride toothpaste. But I couldn't find any non-fluoride toothpaste here, so I ordered these online. These are the Tom's Kids Natural Fluoride Free Toothpaste, okay? And that's a set of 3. So ages 2+. I don't know, because there's no toothpaste really for baby, but baby have teeth, so baby teeth need to be brushed. Alright, so these are the lashes that I got, and these are the self-adhesive lashes. I'm so excited to try them, but not today. Okay. Alright, so these are like real lash extension. They have the lash length and the style. They give you like the mapping of whatever lash style that you want to do. I'm so excited, but I'm so tired to try it today. I'm gonna try it one day over the weekend. This is the adhesive. Yeah, this is the bond. So it has a bond side and it has a seal side. I ordered 3 of these concealers because I use them so much. I use them so much. So I thought I ordered 3 of the same thing. I did think I ordered 3 of the same thing, but anyway, I got 2 Elf Caramel concealer, and then this is a medium sand. I do not know why there is a medium sand, because I didn't order a medium sand. I ordered a 3 caramel. I don't really need the medium sand that much. Okay, I'm more like this color. I'm that dark. So I don't know how they mess up my order and get me that. Backside 4. Something wrong, yeah, man. 2 medium sand. I don't know. I never ordered that, but 4. I'm sure I ordered 3. Oh, I think they had something where if you order an extra one, if you order 3, you get another one free. I should have concealer to last me for a little while, okay? So let's put these back in here and let's go to the Shein package, okay? Oh no, I have another Amazon package. Guys, guess what? I ordered this gym bag a long time ago and totally forgot about it. Not long time ago. A couple of months ago, but right when I got this bag, I also got another bag for gym, and so I just didn't bother to use this. So I'm not gonna use this either right now because I have a bag using now. But let me unbox it for you. There it is. All right, yes, it looks big enough. Yeah, I really like this. Big enough, looks sturdy enough. Not gonna have my things, it's not gonna be tearing apart right now. Shein stuff now. I got this set of bra on Shein. I don't know why only one of them is in a bag, to be honest with you. I think it's a custom people. Yeah, I do. Alright, so it's a set of 3. They are seamless. There they go. Look okay. Look okay. Look okay. Feels really nice because it's seamless. I didn't get everything that I ordered in this package. They split it into 2 packages. But I ordered this stuff because I saw one item, which I liked. But I had to make it up to $50. So this is a skirt that I got for work. It's a regular black skirt and it was really cheap. So I said, okay, let me go ahead and get it. And it looks okay. I saw this dress as well. It was like $7. I said, no man, Shein, go over there little self, let me get it. And this is what it looks like. That I got for my daughter, it is to on her hair, like when she wash her hair, it's the towel. It's formed in the shape of a head. So yeah, put it on like this. Oh, so this is like a night dress, night gown. That I got was really cheap as well, so I got it. That's all that is. There's something more in here. Oh, so this is like a bodysuit. I don't know why I even got this, because like if I wear this with a dress, how am I gonna be able to use the bathroom with this? Like, how am I gonna do it? There's no opening, there's nothing on it, like it's just a bodysuit, okay? And some other stuff, 2 pair of shoes, but they are not in this package. I also ordered some some plastic containers. Those were like for $1. I was like, no, and I gotta get these. But I don't see it, and I don't see it in package 2. You know, like when you order, you see package 1 and package 2? I don't see them in package 2, but I did order them. So I'm waiting for that package, so we'll see how that goes. When those come, I'll probably do another unboxing so you guys could see the other stuff that I ordered. But this is where I'm going to end this video. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. I feel like I was just ranting. I have to be looking all the time to see if the video stopped, because as I said, this video stopped in the middle of what I was doing. I don't even know where it stopped. But I'm going to start ranting right now. I'm going to end the video off. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be going to Krispy Kreme next week. I didn't make it this week, but I'm going to carry baby girls there next week. So don't forget to come with me on this journey. Click the subscription bell, subscribe, put it to all, put your notifications to all, because I upload whenever, however, whatever, anytime. All right, bye.